Hello and welcome to my channel. This series is going to be about building this jewelry box. It's made out of solid cherry. It measures 16 inches. It's 406 millimeters side to side. It's 10 inches, 254 millimeters front to back. 6 inches tall. That's 152 millimeters in height. The box is made out of solid cherry. It has 2 trays, and a set of dividers underneath the bottom tray. The wood is 5/8 of an inch thick. That's about 16 millimeters. It has a key lock, Brusso quadrant hinges, flush mount side handles, and hand cut dovetailed on the corners. We're going to spend a lot of time talking about the dovetails. It has a solid cherry bottom, frame and panel top, and banding. The build process for the box is to first mill all the wood and make all the parts, then do the joinery. Part of the joinery is all the mortises, notches, and pilot screws for the hardware. Then first assembling the sub-assemblies like the box itself, the frame and panel lid, and then the complete assembly where you put everything together, cut the lid away from the rest of the box, that is, make this cut. And then once it's all glued up, it sits for several days, and then I go back and adjust all the parts, shaving things, getting things to fit just right, getting the lock to work just right, getting the handles to fit just right. And then we get into making the trays, adding the velvet, doing the dividers. Once that's all done, we take the hardware off, we do the sanding and the varnishing, and then polish everything, reassemble it, make any last minute fine adjustments, put the velvet in the trays, put the dividers in the trays and the little ribbon handles, and then the last step, of course, is polishing. And that's what we'll be walking through over the next several weeks, and I welcome you to join me. Thank you.